Hey guys, Digital David here. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing for you all a 12-inch flexible tripod. The brand is Tairoad and they did send me this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I want you guys to be able to see this hands-on and make the best decision for yourself and your tripod needs. So the link to this will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can see the most accurate price, read some more reviews, see some photos, see some technical details, that sort of thing. So here's how it's going to come packaged to you directly from Amazon. They have a really nice box and package right here. You can see really nice logo, cool font, couple different color options you can see, and then what's included in the box as well. You can see their nice expanded logo on the side, and then the back or the front, depending on how you're viewing this box, is black, which is the color that I have received. So without anything else to do, let's go ahead and open it up. Here are the package contents. My tripod was really tight in there and snug with these awesome adapters. So you have the tripod itself, you have a smartphone holder right here, which is adjustable depending on the size of your phone, which is really nice. And they give you a Gopro action camera adjustment as well. So they really have you covered on all different bases. This can support up to 5.5 pounds, so a lightweight DSLR. Again, so you can use a DSLR, you can use your smartphone or a GoPro. It's a really nice tripod. I've reviewed a couple other flexible tripods, and what I'm noticing right away is I love that it has this octopus design where it almost has tentacles, as opposed to most of them come with those cheap plastic balls on the side. So what I'm gaining from this is you'll be able to really configure this in a lot of different ways, and it'll also be able to stand up and be sturdy on a tabletop as opposed to other common tripods. So that's really nice that they give you that option. Just the way that they've designed this, it's really cool. So you can see, you can just set it up like that. So that being said, really well thought out. You can adjust this right here. This has a quick, looks like a quick release, so you can take your camera off really easily, put it back on. So they've really thought this out. I mean, it's really well designed. You have a little adjustment back there too for the thread, depending on your camera, that sort of thing. So yeah, this is really nifty. You can loosen this too to adjust this ball. You have basically, 180 degree to 360 degree field of motion to get whatever shot you need. So that can rotate around, and it's just a really nice tripod here. And then again, we can see the accessories here. So you have an adjuster wheel on the back to be able, it looks like, probably can expand this as far out as you need, or keep it as close as you need as well too. So it'll take a minute to get that all the way out, depending on how big your phone is. But then you have that extra tension right there to really secure your device in. So they give you just a great amount of accessories I was not expecting with this. So without anything else to do, let's go ahead and we'll go take this in some real world environments and see how it holds up and what sort of applications it can be used for. Guys, I'm back with my awesome tripod here. I really appreciate you guys watching this video and just seeing it in the real world and how you can use it. I also forgot to mention they have an awesome level right here too that you can really tell, is my shot level if you want it to be level, or is it off level because that's how you wanted it to be and designed it. So that's really handy as well. Really well thought out, great design, as you can see how it held up outdoors. So really happy with it. Go ahead, ask me any questions you have, leave me any comments, concerns, that sort of thing. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. Feel free to join my newsletter. I'd love to keep interacting with you guys. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much.